Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to manually connect your custom domain to your Webflow website. Let's get started. First, go to webflow.com and log in your account. This action will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on your chosen website by clicking on Open Designer right here. In this new page containing your website, click on the Publish button at the top right corner. Then in this pop-up, click on this Add a Custom Domain option. This will redirect you to your settings where you will click on the Publishing option from the left panel. Then scroll down to the Production section and click on Add a Custom Domain from the far right of your screen. Then click on Manually Add Domain from the drop-down. This pop-up will appear where you will type in the domain name you want to add to your Webflow in this field, then click on Add Domain right here. Next, Webflow will provide you with configurations you will use to integrate your domain. You will be given 2 A records and 1 CNAME record. Let's start with the CNAME record, and start by copying this highlighted value here, and then go to where you got your domain name. For our tutorial, I'm going to use Hostinger. In your Hostinger dashboard, click on DNS nameservers from the left panel. Then go to the Manage DNS Record section. Put in CNAME for the type field, put in www for the name field, then paste your copied configuration in the target field. Then click on Add Record right here. Next, go back to Webflow and copy this highlighted part for your first A record. In Hostinger, put in A in the type field, put in the icon in the name field, then paste your copied configuration in this points to field, and click on Add Record. Now just do the same thing with the second A record. Just paste the second value Webflow has provided for you in the points to field, then click on Add Record. This pop-up will appear since you have 2 A records. Just click on Confirm down here. After that, this pop-up will appear from the top right indicating that your DNS records has been created successfully. And that is how you can manually connect your custom domain to your Webflow website. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.